Good evening, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Um, Still going through the perfect indicators that we use at PerfectStockAlert.com to locate these great trades. Um, that there's many people out there looking for what we have, but they're using weaker technical indicators and strategies that are actually shoot themselves in the foot. So what we just discussed a moment ago was the trend, analyzing that and determining which way you want to trade this. In this particular case, we were talking about this is an uptrend, so we're going to be looking for the long side, trading to the upside. But now we're going to be discussing, because I've already foreshadowed on that, we're going to discuss the volume. And volume is important in the stock market. You've ever heard the saying, keep it simple, stupid? That applies big time in the market. What makes a stock goes up or go up is more buy volume than sell volume. Doesn't get any simpler than that. Apparently. Okay. So as your buy volume increases greater than your sell volume, the stock goes up. That's all there is to that. And on the flip side of that, if sell volume were to all of a sudden spike tomorrow or something like that, you would see a crash of this chart. But until that's the case, as long as buy volume is greater than sell volume, your stock will increase. And so what we do is one of our major indicators is volume. We look for major spikes of volume showing massive accumulation by smart money that's going to drive a stock price higher. Uh, I don't know, 2 million shares of a stock at a buck 25 may seem like a low price stock, but 2 million shares, that's not your great grandma out there buying stock somewhere. That's somebody that's got some money, or a lot of people all focused on one chart or one company. If you look at their news, you may find out why. So our second indicator of great importance is going to be volume, and more importantly, buy volume. Unless you're looking for shorts, then you would be looking for sell volume. But in this particular case, we're looking for buy volume. Now, somebody asked me before, how do you know if it's buy volume or sell volume? This particular chart shows green as buy volume and red is sell volume. What they're really just telling you is if this day was down, such as red, uh, then they mark it red, and if it's an up day, they mark it as green. But just think about it. If your stock went up on that volume, there was probably more buying than there was selling, and thus the stock went up. And it can be reversed to say that if you had the the day was a red or sell, then you probably had more selling on that day than you had buying. So it's pretty simple. Just think it through and you'll know how to apply the strongest indicators to locate the best opportunities for you to make money in the market. Have a good night.